Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality P T Chacko. He was born on 9th of April 1915 in Kerala. He graduated from Joseph's College, Trichy and obtained his law degree from Law College at Trivandrum. He gave up his legal practice to participate in the Indian independence movement. He fought for self-governance in the princely state of Travancore as a student leader. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from Travancore, Cochin province on Congress ticket. He spoke on various issues like issue of national language, as he was of opinion that the official language issue was not urgent matter and it could be settled in the future by the parliament, especially since the assembly has accepted to use English for a period of 15 years as an official language. He spoke on taxation laws. Let's see that. 9th of September 1949, quote, the purpose of my amendment is to exempt all properties and income of a state from union taxation, even when the state is carrying on a business or a trade within its own limit. The union will have no power to tax properties or income of state in one case where the state carried on a business or trade outside its limit. The principle of immunity from intergovernmental taxation was accepted by this House when it accepted Article 264, where it is provided that the properties of union shall be exempted from taxation by state. I only want that this principle should be extended and applied in case of states as well. We are thankful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.